Really bored, humble. Okay, let's see what this does. Ooh. Get the evil crash right away. It doesn't even... Okay. Java lang null pointer exception. Attempt to invoke virtual method void com Google Android GMS games event client increment Java lang string int on a null object reference. I knew it. Google com example is going to start. So I'm guessing it's because it doesn't even check if login was initialized. And perform click internal on view nested import click internal view perform click run Java Android OS handler callback handler dispatch message at Android OS looper loop once looper Android OS looper loop Java Android app activity thread main. Okay, send this. I think it sends it to my email. I'm not sure though. Let's go back into it. Sign in. Actually sign into the account that might be a tester. Let's see if it signs in. I don't think that's a good message. I think that means it's not a tester yet. Alright, now we have to go check. Okay, there's a few more things we have to set up. What did I want to ask? How to... key sign a Android app to send to device, and I think this is another issue. So okay, we'll go back here, go into testers, and add self as tester. Testers, I am a tester. Okay, let's check up on, there's also this, an audience, advanced settings, data access or something. No, advanced settings, I mean audience. Test users, add. It's got like 2 places for test users, which is kind of funny. While publishing status is testing, only test users are able to access the app. Allowed user can cap prior app notification and is counted over the eternal lifetime of the app save. So let's see what that does. The other part of it is, let's catalog this. It's kind of annoying because catalog, so here we're going to see that it's probably a different fingerprint. Let's rerun this. How do we change where the separator is? I don't think we can. Hit on sign in. And this is where I get really annoyed. Like, how come it has the other app in here? Like, why does it have collect all the stars whenever you call intent? And here's the other part of it that you initially get. You get that this mismatches. App ID from manifest. Let's go check the app ID, make sure it's the one. Yep, it's that 69 ID. This is the part that I don't get. And so, obviously it's gonna not work because the SHA doesn't match. So it can't even log in. I don't know why I gave 2 of those. Again, SHA failed. And you could debug through this too. I already did before. Where you would set up like easy, hard, sign in. Sucks it doesn't have this thing like Visual Studio does, but whatever. Players client, events client, leaderboard Google, Google sign-in client, so it's this thing. Main activity, cat2, now we need tank. Alright, so put our stuff in here. Alright, let's just try it. Debugger. Even though I'm very curious of why it's putting the other one inside the same catalog. Maybe I have to close the other one? I don't know. I don't think so, because the event is being driven by the app. It just makes this like stupid. How did they make this app so dumb? To where when you make one call, for some reason there's two apps making two intent calls. It's like, what the... Where are we at? So it's trying to get the sign in client, because it could sign in without it. It does two things right here. That's the listeners. I kind of know Java. I kind of did a bunch of... tried to do some apps just based on Java or Kotlin. But I would prefer it to be in C++, but you kind of have to use both. With Android is signed in. Why isn't this? Oh, I love this kind of statement. This is task sign in add on complete. And this task is not going to be successful. Sign in silently failure. This is the main thing right here. So like, pretty sure I have to go and like generate the app somehow. Let's sign this thing. Let's try to use the UI to do it. Let's do it the easy. Let's see what Grok said anyway. Signing app key gen blah 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 Android. Oh, signing figs. So you could do it like this. You could sign it with Gradle. Your key alias, your key password, your store password. What is your store password? Is it the same thing as your password? I'd like to do it this way. Before build types. Let's try it. See if this will do anything. Because I shouldn't have to change the key in there. We might have to regenerate the key for this to work. I'm pretty sure that that's going to come down to that too. Would that work too? Sync it. Sync it. think it's a directory under. So did it sign it or what? I guess it had to. What is it getting? DD. So there's like 4 reasons. It's not a test account, your package certificate, your package ID, your app ID doesn't match, or the server code author was requested but incorrect client ID was provided. Well, we're not a server. App manifest ID, search fingerprint. We could just copy paste this in, but it's like, I believe we signed it, right? That was the whole point, to avoid this. Is it the same that we got before? Something that starts with DD. Yeah, it is. But we're supposed to be getting A2D7, not DD1F. Why it's stupid, I don't know. So if I try to log in, pretty sure I'm just not going to be able to. Yeah, because I can make it log in just by forcing it. That's not the idea here. Sign in silently, failure. Okay, why? Parent signed a keyboard, oh no. So hard to find this project because of the name. Android Basic Samples Master. So generic. Okay, that's your key store. And I don't get it how it doesn't have key store password and key password. How come it's the same? Usually when you do this, they can't be the same. Wait a minute. That's what we want. Damn it. Select the right module. Oh, so it has different modules? That's stupid. So what if you had... whatever. Okay, so... yeah, the Gradle plugin version is like Dinosaur. I guess I should have ran this and listened to it. verify it. Alright, did it build? Oh, it should have had a pop-up. I missed it. Crap. Is that the shit it made? Of course it's not. Jar is unsigned. Fuck. Where did it put it? What does it say? Bundle tool is not recognized. Oh, we have to like unpack it. That'll be fun. Alright, so then let's go to Scrappy. Just to go somewhere. To find bundle tool. Let's use 33. Is it in here? Oh, fucking bundle tool. I don't think it's in here. I think it comes in a different pack. It is an Android. No, it's in either in this NDK project. Well, that was interesting. The window wouldn't focus, go on top of the thinger. And then what we need is, wow, all this crap. Very interesting how we have to do all of this. How come there's an import key store and a destination key store? I don't think we're using the right key store. This is this warning. That could be a problem. What's your name? Alright, let's unpack it real quick. Could not find or load main class. Really? Stupid. The fuck? No, you can't use APK signer to sign your app bundle. Okay, then we need to do all this shit. Interesting. First we need to make sure the shit runs. Can I find main class? Why has Google got so bad? Yeah, I know that much. Oh. Oops. That might be the problem. Is this how you do it? Yes, okay. 2 directories down, okay. Oh, you could actually specify the file. Interesting. I'm going to keep a copy of this. Keep copies of everything. Alright. That there. Sign it, unsign it, hold whatever this is doing. I'll be surprised if this works. This is like the fun part of Android development. Using a bunch of command lines to hack your way through. Okay, I guess that was like bad or good. Main Java unsupported version. This has been compiled with a more recent version. Alright, I knew that that might happen. I wanted to double check that first, but I wanted it to happen. So in, oh, I know this. Build Gradle. No. That is the Java we're using for Build Gradle. Oh, but Bundle Tools, this one was compiled with a more recent version. Okay, so we got these Java discrepancies. So Gradle is using 1.8. So you have all these Javas. You need like a bunch of Java and JDKs installed. But Bundle Tool is compiled something new. We either want to try 23 on it. 23 is probably a safe bet, but there's more. Okay, let's just try 23 and then we'll try LSWAT, whatever. Cool. Whatever this does. Ah, it took over my computer. Did it pump out any files? No. It just like got pissed. The fuck? What if I delete that? No. It does weird stuff. It highlighted this for some reason. Whatever the fuck it did. Wow. Mac OS apt, Linux apt. So it has a bunch of Java tools inside of this. Yes, it's like using apt2. It's basically like a RAR file. I don't think I'm doing. Yeah, this is what I wanted to do. I remember doing this though. Getting the APKs out. It's easier once it's on the device. Alright, let's do it this way. Build, generate app bundles or APK, generate APKs. I think I'm just like making it way too complex and I'm not even doing it right. Okay, locate. Like we could just do this. And just push this onto the device. And before we do a little command here. I believe you have to use bundle tools to verify it. How did we verify it last time? We used some sort of command. I think it was signer, but I don't think we're supposed to use signer here. Or did it? We didn't save this part. Keygen. Ooh, it's the wrong APK though. But we'll check anyway. Alright. I knew that was going to happen. It's not added to path, but I don't want it to be on path because then we start getting path problems and too many things in path, and try to keep it as clean as possible. And that's not really wishful thinking, that's like extremist, because it still ends up being clogged. Okay, it's like somewhere. I think APK Center is in here. Yeah, it is. And what does APK Signer call? Bundle tools? Somewhere under the hood. Java. And who's the main executioner? By default, give APK Signer a max heap size of 1 gig and a stack of 1 meg. Okay. But who does it call? I don't like how this is doing it. Where's the jar file? Oh well, let's just see if we can call it like this. It's It's not gonna work. I already know. It's not gonna find Java and just get pissed. Alright. This version is not protected by signature. That might have been one of my problems. Okay. But that was the other project. Okay, let's generate APKs or bundles. Oh, okay, so let's switch projects here. I don't think the other one's signed either. Build outputs. Why is my other hand falling asleep? Damn. What is this? Fighting it. Verified using schema 1 jar signing true. Verified scheme 2 APK scheme 2 true. Verified using v3 scheme APK signature false. Number of signers 1. Warning. Custom views not protected by signature. I don't know. Whatever. It said something was signed. Obviously we're going to get device error, but I don't care. Let's do this. Oh, 2 copy paste solution. Okay. Performing streamed install. It's always good when you're like installing your APKs manually. Self failed update. Existing package signatures do not match. That might be actually a good sign. I think you just run like R. Somewhere. Okay, no. Put it at the end. Right here. I forget. I should remember by now because I did it so much to the other like 4.4 device. I don't want to do it that way. Oh. So I want to do it like that, right? But I did do that. Yeah. So we have to throw it in the garbage first. Clear the app data. This is not... Yeah, we want it. You could throw it on another device. But I need to like add the other emails to Google. Ugh. Alright, I just did uninstall and install and it's popping up again. Unsafe app block, Google Play Protect. So how can we make it safer? How can we add integrity or something? And you could use the hardware keyboard to type in your unlock code, password. Okay. And it crashed. What happened? Collect all the stars. Kind of weird stuff do I have? Why do I have two of these? Okay. Oh, this is the old one. Because it's not like synchronized or something. I'm just gonna start playing games. I don't care. I think it's this one. Okay. Type a number challenge. Sign in. Oh wow. So, wait a minute. We should be like being very careful here. So we didn't get that gnarly death. We're still getting some kind of stupid death. Like, why are we getting this? I'm still pissed. Like, why is this here? Why? That's why I want to just rebuild this whole sample from scratch. So there's not two projects stacked like this. Maybe I have to like throw the other one away. Damn it. Well, let's see it fail. Show achievements. Oh, it worked. It fucking worked. It's because I signed it the correct way. Farting bad, very smelly. Suggested. Pooping in bags. Yeah, those are our achievements. That's what I wrote in Google. I didn't write that within the app. It's on the cloud. Well, then the next thing is like get this to work through a backend server. Or the next thing would be like And bags. Trash cans don't count. So does that take us to... Yeah. Okay. Well, that's kind of cool. This is the friends thing. Got some achievements, but it didn't pop up though. Damn it. Kinda sucks. What do I have to do them? Suggested. In bags. Alright, so that worked. The trick was to install it, to sign it, and then install it. Yeah, Google Cloud. No. We have to add this into the other thing. Let's try this. Is this the name of my key? Damn. Put this in here. Put this in here. Sign this motherfucker. I think it's my alias also. Yeah, okay. Then sync it. Transplant procedure. Stars. Let's fucking build signed APK or bundle. She's existing. Should have it in the buffer. Ugh. Yeah. But trying to do collect all stars, not the other one. Generate APKs. Build outputs APK debug. I want to collect all the stars after I poop in bags. See if we can install this fucker. Let's do this. Oh, come on. It's really hesitant to copy paste right. Doesn't want to do anything. Collect all the stars. What's the underlining name? Okay, it's game test. It's got other unique, cool name. And we'll probably need it, but we wanted to fail. Performing stream install. So it should tell us the key doesn't match. Oh. Well, it's going to fail. Shouldn't even sign in, but I think it will, which is weird. It's always like a good idea to okay. It says it signed in, but it didn't. We know because it got that stupid pop-up. Okay. Well, let's fix the Google support part of it. We know that the hash should be this, but it's not. This is the one with the save games thing. Okay. I'll be surprised if it works. Enabled. In case you think I'm an idiot. There's like a setting right here. Configuration. What the hell is this? I already did this. But that's like the next step is to upgrade this. Player stats, achievement, save games. Yeah, this actually gives you the code. That's good. So try to build this from ground up here in a second. Right here, save games is on. Let's run this verification command then. I should have done this earlier. Verification command won't fix it, but it'll let us know if it's like drinking dust. Water. Alright, let's verify. See what it says. I usually don't. By nature, I just open a command prompt, but I like it because it will just organize it. Verified using schema 1 jar true. Verified using schema true. True. But how do we... Verbose should give us more information though. How do we look at the key? What if we did this? Alright, my release key, my alias. Collect all stars, next. Yes. Let's try it again. I bet it's this. Okay, I don't know if that changed size, but it just got something might have changed. So it's actually is not in this folder. It is in this folder. Take note of that. More spam. Okay, now we run it again. Just to see what the fuck. I think it says the same stuff. Yeah, true, true, false, false, false. Number of signers 1. Okay. Well, Let's install it. Let's see if we get error. We should get an error. Should say you can't. Yeah. Update failed, compatible. Test signatures does not match. Okay, that's really good. That's actually what I wanted it to say. Now it should fail with this too. Test signatures does not match. Come on. Yep. Good. Like, it's good that it gives that error, because then you know you're installing a different signature. Alright, that way people can't override your app with some shit and make it look like your app. There's like 2 reasons for it. Okay, so now we run the uninstall, and then we will run the install, and it should, I hope it'll work. The other one worked. I was surprised. So, uh-oh. Why did it do that? Wow, that was scary. Oh, it's because we uninstalled it. That was scary as hell though. It was so fast. Okay. I'm still like, why it like, why it I guess we need the API for it not to do that. And yeah, don't ask me to put it up like this, but this is the nerdy way to start it, using the command line. Main activity does not exist? Yeah, it does. I'm guessing I have the name wrong. Yeah, spelled. Oh no. Ours should be IN. Okay, that's another game. Should be really easy to see. If I just do that. once we run it. There it is. There's the main activity. We found it. Play game services example. But it should be, yeah, com example games cat 2. Whatever reason it did that. Oh, it pulls up. Why does it pull that up? Like, no. Use this. Whatever it is. I think it's the unmodified version, or modified. Okay. Did it work? It's taking longer than... Oh, shit. That's fucked up. Pull your teeth out. Did it restart it, or what? Like, what happened right there? That's dumb. It's gonna crash. It looked like it crashed. I don't know what it did. Yeah, it crashed. Why can't I collect all the stars? It's like fucking dumb. There was a problem getting the snapshot intent. Cannot use snapshots without enabling save game feature in Google Play Console. Oh, it's not big enough. So this is what's happening. This is the real world. You hit that. Why? Made boo-boo. Alright, so I think I had enough of this. I can build this. It's not logging into this one or something. So, is there an intent defined in here for that? There should be an intent. Select which game to load. Select conflicted game. Label. Check out strings. Error, problem opening snapshot data. Collect all the stars too. Previous world, next world. This is just the makeup. What we want to put in here. Main snapshot. Game main data. Okay. App. Temp. Two objects that you kind of would need to just kind of kick it off. Okay. Which part of the app is this? I guess select. There's a problem with the snapshot. Google common exception sign in required. I'm signed in. Loading your progress. Well, did it? Oh, I didn't have. It's not doing anything though, because there's something broken with. But it kind of is. DQ buffer timeout. Yeah, it's just timed out. Oh, but we've found a bug. Google will not know about this. Open was not success for file name snapshot temp. Sign in required. We are signed in. We could rename all of this, but it would be a real pain because it's like in this folder. But I would like this to work. I like how the other one works though, so it gives a good sample of all the other features except for this.